audience members, kind of like old Carol Burnett style, we answer some audience questions. So up first is Rita. Hey, Rita.
Hi, Rachel.
I love your do.
Thank you.
Very pretty.
I've been a big fan for a long time, ever since 30-minute meals. My question for you is, if you were ever to open up a restaurant, what type of food would you serve?
You know, I've been trying to open restaurants for decades. I finally gave up on it. Like, anytime somebody found out I was involved in it, the price went up, you know what I mean? Plus, I have so many jobs, it would be hard for me to be at the restaurant a ton. I still may down the line. And I've thought a lot about it. I think it would be fun food in small portions, like comfort food, fun food, food you share with people when you're just hanging out. But I would do it in little portions so people would be inspired to share. Perfect. But I'll keep you up to date on that.
I'll be there.
I'll meet you there.